Welcome back to Chef Edward Cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make an egg white omelet. I'm going to show you how to make an egg white omelet. So what you want to do is crack your eggs. I'm going to use 4. I learned this method from a chef. So you crack your eggs in a bowl. Then you take the egg yolks out. Just grab it here like so and put it in. It's simple and easy. And there you have it. You have your egg whites. Okay, we have our ceramic pan. It's a non-stick pan. You could use either Teflon or I like to use ceramic. So we're going to add our butter. So we're not going to brown our butter. We're just melting our butter. So I'm just swirling the butter around. Now we're going to add our egg whites. Okay, we have our egg whites. Now what's important about our egg white omelet is you want to make sure you have a plate nearby. So when you add it. So I'm just going to roll this around, add to it. Now this part, soon I'm going to flip it. Get to the side like this. Now flip. There you go. And after you flip it, you could add your cheese. I'm doing right here. I have some leftover spinach that's sauteed. I'm going to add that as well. Now next, I'm going to wait 30 seconds. And I'm going to plate it. So we have our egg white omelet. So I'm going to tap the side, push down a little bit. Now we're going to take the plate. I'm going to gently put it on the plate. And now we're going to flip it over like so. Gently turn it like so. Now add a little bit of salt to it and you're ready to go. Okay, and there we have it. I like to add a little bit of chive to my omelet. And there we have it. We have our egg white and spinach omelet. Alrighty. The cheese is nice and gooey. Now that's a good omelet. And if you would like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. And now it's your turn. Thank you for watching.